Hey guys, today I'm making a fish pie, but I don't want to faff around making a white sauce, so I've got this. This is a cauli cheese, it's already in a sauce. I'm going to add in, I found a bag of mixed vegetables, these are frozen, and then I've got a load of stuff. And then I've got here my one pot, but if you're in the van, of course, you can use your Ridge Monkey or just do it in a pot and just leave it on a really low heat to just bubble away, or put it in the oven. So it's really simple to make. So here goes. Right, now this is going to be really interesting because I can't find my tripod, so I'm doing everything one-handed. So you're going to have some interesting camera angles. So I'm just putting in the whole of that cauli cheese, and that'll give me my base for my white sauce and give me some veg in my fish pie. To thin the sauce down a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit of milk in, just a splishy splash, and I've got some leftover cream from last week, so it needs using up, so I'm going to add that in as well. When you're trying to save money, the reduced section is always a great place to start. So we can get some really good bargains. And you can make some really eclectic meals. So that's sea bass, rainbow trout, and I've got 2 bags of scallops going in. And then the veg I'm going to leave, I'll put that in once this is all cooked through and melted down. Just to give it a bit of extra flavour, I'm going to add in some chilies. I'm also going to add in some garlic. And then I'm going to take some salt and pepper and a little bit of paprika. Paprika there. And I've put in some salt and pepper, and I'm just going to mix it all up, and I'm just going to leave it in this pan for a few hours, just nice and gently simmering and slowly cooking through. Let's have a look. It's doing okay. Needs a bit of swishing around and chopping up, so I'm going to do that now. Steamed it up. It's looking like it's ready for some veg. I'm going to leave the lid off a little bit now as well because it is quite runny, so I want it to thicken up, and obviously adding veg is going to add water, so I'll just boil it away with no lid on till it's the right consistency. It's possible I might have gone a bit mad, I might have overdone it a bit, never mind. It kind of all fell out the bag. So there we go. You can never go be cross with too much veg, can you? So what I'm going to do is just leave that. Pop the lid back on. It's just not quite square. Let a little gap there. Simmer through and see what happens. Ready for tea. So going traditional fish pie kind of route, I've whipped up some mashed potato here, just cut up some potatoes and give them a bit of a squish. And now I'm going to add in my beautiful one pot. So just bringing it over the top. A little bit unconventional, I guess, being upside down. Pour some of this over, make it nice and moist. Of course, you can add in anything you've got, and that's it. Beautiful, warm, hearty, and most importantly, affordable, healthy food. That's it from One Pot MoHo Meals for this month. See you next time. Have a great month.